So the Shared Prosperity Fund has been a fantastic opportunity for Antur Cymru, working with Flintshire County Council as well in terms of delivering a carbon reduction action plan project within the county. It's enabled Antur to grow into other areas potentially that we might not have worked so much in the past, and given the opportunity for businesses in the area to benefit from the funding and been able to look at their carbon footprint as a business and what they can do to establish a baseline and then look at how they can then work towards reducing to net zero. I think we started with the outlook that we were going to be supporting very much small businesses, but it's actually turned out that we've helped those that maybe employ a couple of people right up to 250 people. So the remit has really changed, and it's been quite exciting to work with those smaller businesses maybe on the high street, but also those larger businesses on the industrial estates.
We all need to be environmentally conscious of the decisions that we make, and we approach them to help us with the carbon reduction feasibility study, which helped steer the decision-making process and helps us to get the most out of the energy that we're using, to ensure that we're not, by our activities, putting more pressure on the environment that we all have to survive in. So in terms of energy consumption, we're seeing massive reductions in the amount of energy that we're using. June last year, we managed actually to reach 95% self-sufficiency for energy. We are aiming to be the first social club in the whole UK to be net zero, and the support that everyone's offered has been really good. From the very first time that we approached them at a Meet the Funder event, all the way through to receiving the carbon feasibility report, they've been perfect. They've been a real asset to both us and the local community.